Good morning children, welcome to the online class. Today our subject is maths, that is additions, the third chapter, that is addition. Now in the previous class we are discussing some sums children. Now we are going to learn third round. Find the sum of 3-digit numbers. What is the concept children? Find the sum of 3-digit numbers. Let us see here. In this sum, they are given some sums children. Let us see here. 6, 1, 2. In which place children? Ones place. 8, 0, 1. In which place children? Tens place. 1, 2 and 4. In which place? Hundred place. Now let us add it. 6, keep in your mind, take one finger. 6 after 1, 7. Now 7, keep in your mind, take two fingers. 7 after 8, 9. You should 9 in ones place. Now tens place children. 8, keep in your mind, take 0 fingers. 0 have no value, don't take in that. Okay children? 8, keep in your mind, take one finger. 8 after 1, 9. 9 in tens place. Now 100 place. 1, keep in your mind, take two fingers. 1 after 2, 3. 3 should write here. 3, keep in your mind, take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 write in 100 place. 186 plus 201 plus 412 equal to 799. Now see the second one. 3, 2, 4. In which place children? Ones place. 4, 0, 5. In which place? Tens place. 2, 6, 1. In which place? 100 place. Now let us add it. 3, keep in your, first we add ones children. 3, keep in your mind, take two fingers. 3 after 4, 5. Right here 5. Now 5, keep in your mind, take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 should write in ones place. Now tens place. 4, keep in your mind, take 0 fingers. 0 have no value, shouldn't take that. Now 4, keep in your mind, take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Should write in 9 in tens place. Now 100 place. 2, keep in your mind, take 6 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here 8. Now 8, keep in your mind, take one finger. Take one finger. 8 after 1, 9. 9 should write in 100 place. So 243 plus 602 plus 154 equal to 999. Okay children? In the term book, those who are having the term books, open the page number 122. They are given some sums children, do the homework children. Now see the fourth Roman. Now see the fourth Roman children. Find the sum of 3-digit numbers. Find the sum of 3-digit numbers. They are given some sums children. Arrange the numbers according to the place value. Arrange the numbers according to the place value. 156, 161, 615. Later adding. 6, 1, 5. In which place? 1's place. 5, 6 and 1. Which place? 10's place. 1, 1 and 6. Which place? 100 place. According to the place value, we are arranging this. Now later adding. 6 keep in your mind. Take one finger. 6 after 1, 7. 7 should write here. Now 7 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay children? 12. So 12 in 12, 1 in 10's column, write in 10's column, 2 in 1's column. Now we are adding 10's column. 1 keep in your mind. Take 5 fingers. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now 6 keep in your mind. Again open 6 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Should write here 12. Now 12 keep in your mind. Now 12 keep in your mind. Open 1 finger. 12 after 1, 13. So 3 write in 10's column, 10's value, 1 write in 100's value. Now we are adding 100 place. 1 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 2. Now 2 keep in your mind. Take 1 finger. 2 after 1, 3. Now 3 keep in your mind. Take 6 fingers. 6 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 should write in 100 place. 156 plus 161 plus 615 equal to 932. So now see the second one. 103 plus 204 plus 300. Arrange the according to the place value. Now let us adding. 340 in which way? Which place value? Ones. 000 in which place value children? Tens. 1, 2, 3 in which place? 100 place. 3 keep in your first we are at 1's place. 3 keep in your mind. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 should write in 1's place. 7 after 0. 0 has no value, so write itself only. Now 10's place. In 10's place all are 0. So should write here 0. Now 100 place. In 100 place, 1 keep in your mind. Take 2 fingers. 1 after 2, 3. Write here 3. Now 3 keep in your mind. Take again 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. Okay children? 6. So 103 plus 204 plus 300 equal to 607. In the term book, they are given some sums children. Do the homework. Now see the A. Max in action, complete the remaining boxes. Let us see here children. Now see here children. Max in action, complete the remaining boxes. They are given some box children. Let us see here how to complete this. they are given some numbers. In this box, they are given some numbers, no children? How to add this? See here. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 2 plus 3. 2 keep in your mind, take 3 fingers. 2 plus 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. So, we should write here 5. Now, 3 after 5 here. 5 plus 2. How much? 7. Now, 7. 7 plus 2. How much? 9. Now, 9 plus 2. How much? 11. Okay, children. Now, see the second one. 4. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now, 4 plus 3. How much? 4 plus 3. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7. Now, 4 plus 5. 5 plus 4, how much, children? 9. Now, 4 plus 7. How much? 11. 4 plus 9. How much? 13. Now, see the next one. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 5, 11. 6 plus 7, 13. 6 plus 9, 15. Now see next one. 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 5, 13. 8 plus 7, 15. 8 plus 9, 17. Now, next one. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 9, 19. I think we all are understood this, children. The remaining sums, see the next class, children. Thank you.